Hello, my name is Valeria, Human Resources member at Value, and I'm the one in charge of doing the introductory interviews in the recruitment process for the post of Physical Flows Supervisor. Nice to meet you, Valeria. Nice to meet you too, Gabriela. Let's start. I think the best way to do it is to tell me a little about you and what has been your professional career so far. Well, over the last few years, I have worked as logistical development as a sales and supply chain management assistant. My experience in this field has allowed me to develop skills and knowledge in the management and coordination of physical flows, as well in data analysis. My career has been characterized by a results-oriented approach and a constant commitment to efficiency and continuous improvement. Why do you want to work here? I am interested in working at Valeo because it is a leading company in the automotive industry, recognized for its innovation and excellence in its products and service. I like the idea of being part of a dynamic and motivated team that strives to deliver value-added solutions for its customers. I firmly believe in Bailey's values and its sustainable approach, and I am excited for the opportunity to contribute to its success and growth. Tell me, where is your best strength? One of my key strengths is my ability to efficiently manage the supply chain and physical flows. I have the strong analytical skills that allow me to identify areas for improvement and develop effective strategies to optimize logistic processes. I also value effective communication and the ability to work as a team, which has allowed me to build a strong relationship with colleagues and collaborators. What is your most significant weakness? My weakness lies in the lack of experience and skill in using language like Java. There are topics that interest me and I have not had the opportunity to acquire a deep knowledge in their management. However, I am willing to learn and improve in these areas as I understand that they are fundamental tools in many industries and I would like to strengthen my skills in them. Do you think you have the ability to work as a team? Yes, I think I can work as a team. I'm used to collaborating with different people and I can easily adapt to different group dynamics. In addition, I value the diversity of ideas and opinions, which allows me to contribute constructively and be active and commitment member of any team. Tell me about your co-workers having a conflict. How do you handle it? Well, during a period of high demand, two co-workers had a conflict due to difference in assignments, but employees feel resentful and this conflict was negatively affecting the work environment and team productivity. So my task was to mediate and help resolve the conflict so that both sides feel heard and reach an agreement to work in harmony. First, I organized a meeting in a neutral environment so that the two comrades could express their concerns. I acted as a mediator, ensuring that each party had time to speak without interruption and they have listened to each other. Then I worked with them to identify areas of commitment and find a satisfactory solution for both. Through mediation and the stage search for compromises, we managed to resolve the conflict between colleagues with employees' commitment to better communication and more flexibility in future assignments. As a result, the work environment improved and the team was able to work more efficiently and collaboratively. Tell me about a major setback you have had. How did you deal with that? At the end of last year, we experienced a major setback when one of our major suppliers was unable to deliver a large number of products on time, which impacts negatively our delivery times to customers. So I have to find an alternative solution and minimize the impact on customers, ensuring that orders were delivered as soon as possible. Immediately, I contact the provider to understand the cause of the delay and look for possible alternatives. I work closely with the purchasing department to find alternative suppliers and negotiate urgent supply agreements. We openly communicated to customers about the feedback and offered them options such as partial delivery in case they need the products urgently. In addition, I adjust our route schedule and assign additional tasks to the team members to expedite the delivery process. Through rapid action and proactive communication, we were able to minimize the impact on customers and meet most deadlines. Some customers recognize our efforts to address the setback and were willing to be more flexible in their delivery expectation. That's very interesting. Tell me, in what order would you assign tasks if you approached two crucial deadlines? If I am near to crucial deadlines, the first thing I would do is assess the importance of urgency of both tasks. My approach would be to assign tasks strategically, considering the priority, duration, resource, and collaboration required for each of them. How do you look in the future? In the future, I see myself as a successful and highly trained physical flow supervisor. I would like to have acquired a deep knowledge of logistic operation and production flows. I also see myself leading and training a team of highly effective employees, thus achieving the goals and objectives of the company. I aspire to continue growing professionally, assuming greater responsibilities and challenges in the field of physical flow management. In addition, I would like to have the opportunity to contribute to the continuous improvement of processes and implementation of innovative solutions in value. Do you have any questions for me? Yes, I'd like to ask you a question. What are the main challenges facing the physical flow department today? A major challenge is inventory management. The department must strike a balance between maintaining adequate inventory to meet demand cost effectively and avoiding excess inventory that can generate additional costs and obsolescence. Interesting. Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you very much for your openness in your answers, as well as for your time in coming to this interview. We will contact you later to let you know if you have moved to the next phase or if we kept your resume for the future vacancies. Thank you very much. We are in touch.